This is a boat customer just bought. And you can't smell it, but it just reeks of gas. So for some reason, he said he's replaced the fuel pump and filters, and it starts and runs, but it bogs down under load. But here's what we have found. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but go ahead. But you can you can see there's just a big puddle of gas down in the back, and gas is running out of. See a big puddle down there. So something behind the VST tank is leaking gas, and there it is dripping out of the bottom. Okay. And that's gas. So he's got a major fuel leak somewhere in behind the VST tank that he just put a new fuel pump in. And yeah, you could see that he's had it off.